Welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Shadrach. Today we have got a wonderful sunny day here at Boxback. I'm collecting the Nissan NP200 which I won on GoBid. You can check out their website. It's very great. I'll leave the link to it below. Don't do what I did here by allowing them to put the car on the flatbed using the forklift. It can damage the car, and if the car falls over, the liability is on you. I got a bit lazy and allowed them to use the forklift. But the car on its own, it looks great. It's a runner. The engine does run. It has got this huge dent at the front, but I believe this can be fixed. The only damage that I can see when I observe it is the radiator is damaged there. Besides that, there is no any major damage on the panels of the car. It needs some alignment there and there. Besides that, she's a beauty and I like it. I'm buying this one for my brother, so I'm gonna fix it and give it to him once it's done. I'm very excited about this one. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.